Hi everyone, this is PRANSHI VERMA. Welcome to the lecture 2, Python for Beginners. In this lecture, we will discuss working environment for Python programming and start coding. Okay, so without any further delay, let us get started. So my dear all, in this course, we will use two working environments, Jupyter Notebook and the Spider IDE. IDE is what? Integrated Development Environment. Okay, and this is an easy, simple and free working environment for everyone, and I will show you how to use it to easily build our softwares. And at that, one said, in some lectures we will use the Spider IDE and we will explain everything about the Spider IDE, where we use it to. Now don't worry, their use is very simple and easy. And if you encounter any problem with these programs or environments, please tell me in comment section as soon as possible in order to help you, and I will be very happy to help you all the time. Now to install the Jupyter Notebook and a Spider, all you have to do is downloading and installing the Anaconda Toolkit on your device, on your PC. This is the only software that we will download, and it contains all the working environments that we will use during this course, Python for Beginners. Now let's go ahead and see how to download and install Anaconda Toolkit. Simply go to the official website of the Anaconda Toolkit from the URL and try to download the appropriate version for your operating system. Then wait for the download to finish. This is the Anaconda installation file which we downloaded from the official website of the Anaconda Toolkit. Double-click on this file to start the installation process. And you can see this is an installation pop-up window. Started the installation process by pressing next. Then I agree. Then hit next. Then you can choose the destination folder for the files to be installed in. Then press next, then install and wait for the installation process to complete it. After the installation process is finished, click on the next and finish, click finish. Now the Anaconda Toolkit has been successfully installed in your PC. Now try to open the Anaconda Navigator to use the working environment through it, and also we are going to start using the Jupyter Notebook in this lecture in order to start coding and running programs with it. So just from the search box, search for the Anaconda like that and click on Anaconda Navigator and open it. Once you open the Anaconda Navigator, you will see this screen that contains several working environments and tools such as cmd.exp prompt, IBM Watson Studio Cloud, Orange 3 and many more. Okay, and as we said beforehand, in this course we will use Jupyter Notebook for most lectures, and we will also use and explain the Spider IDE when using it in the advanced lectures. Let's move on the open the Jupyter Notebook. All you have to do this is pressing launch to open the Jupyter Notebook, and we will start using it directly. Once you open the Jupyter Notebook, you will find this Jupyter Notebook main screen. From the new menu, you can create a Python file, text file, terminal, and you can also create a new folder and create files related to your program inside this folder. As well as you can create a folder as a container for your Python program. Let's go ahead and create a new Python 3 Jupyter Notebook. Once the Python file is opened, go to the top and change the name from the Untitled to whatever name you want to your file. Like that. Click on Untitled and just say Python first program. Okay. Let's see. Now let's explore the most important tools we have here. First, the file menu. You can create a new Python file with the file menu, open another file, copy the script and save the file and download the file in several formats. Second one is edit menu. From the edit menu, you can cut cells, copy cells, delete cells, split cells and perform many more things. Also, the insert menu, You can insert cell above and also insert cell below. Also, from the cell menu, you can put a type of cell such as code, markdown, and many more. This is a quick overview of the most important tools we will use in the Jupyter Notebook. By the practicing during this course, Python for beginners will master its use. Let's go ahead to write our first program in Python using the Jupyter Notebook. We're going to write a simple program to print Python is very easy. Okay, so just mention with hashtag as a comment, simple program, press enter and type print, then parenthesis, use quotation mark and type Python is very easy programming language. Okay, and here we are using print function. The print function is a simple function from the Python standard library and it's used to print in type of data or result from any operations on the screen. And it's also used for testing purposes. Inside the parenthesis of the print function, you will find the message we have written inside double quotes. And this type of data is called string data type. It's just like a sequence of characters. Okay, don't worry, all these concepts will be explained in upcoming lectures in separate and in depth. Okay, now I want to see how things work only in the Jupyter Notebook. To run this program, you can simply click on the run button or you can also press shift plus enter key and you will simply see the message Python is very easy programming language. Also, you can perform any Python related operations here just like 10 plus 10, then run, that is 20. Okay, such as math operations, multiplication, division, addition, subtractions. Okay guys, this is just a simple introduction for using the Jupyter Notebook. By the end of this course, you will become an expert in Python using the Jupyter Notebook and the Spider IDE. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in next lecture. Bye bye, take care and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.